Hi, I'm Mansi. The Melano Roller is such a fabulous device from Melano Peel. It comes in two sizes. The Melano Roller with needle size of 0.5 millimeters in length, which is used mainly for the face, and the Melano Roller Pro with needles of 2 millimeter length, which is used mainly for the body. Soon there will be a needle size of 1 millimeter's length for those who want to upgrade their rollers for the face. If you are new to rolling, then please begin with needle size of 0.5 millimeters length. This is great if you have acne breakouts, if you need to fade discolorations, if you have oily skin, large pores, if you need to even out your skin's complexion, and if you have fine lines, especially around the eyes. So here are the steps. Cleanse with the Clarity Cleanser to polish your skin. Tone with the antibacterial Clarity Mandelic Acid Toner. Then roll. The instructions on the box are really clear and illustrative. So even if you are new to rolling, you won't have any problems. And the best time to roll is at night so that your skin gets time to heal and rejuvenate itself. The procedure is so easy. The first time you do it, you will feel a little weird, but it doesn't hurt at all. For rolling, it's recommended that you do it once a week, but veterans of this can do it twice a week also. And remember, do not roll over your nose and do not roll over any active acne, or you might spread the bacteria all over your face. You can roll around your eyes, you can roll into your hairline if you have breakouts there. After rolling, please don't do anything for 30 seconds. Just sit back, relax, and enjoy the tightness in your skin. These 30 seconds are crucial because they give your cells in the skin time to equilibrate. Some companies say that one should add active ingredients into the skin at this moment, but please don't do this, especially if you have a dark skin tone, because the skin is more porous at this point after rolling, and active ingredients are going to agitate the cells and make the skin inflamed. So just sit back and relax and do not use any strong active ingredients at this point. Some people have actually reported getting nodules under the skin because of adding strong serums after rolling. The best thing to do after 30 seconds is to take a neutral pH serum like a dermal recover serum, argan oil, or a dermal affinity serum, macadamia oil, and apply this to your skin. Now let's talk about the Derma Roller Pro. This one is for more stubborn acne, depressions from acne scars, body acne, deeper wrinkles, mildly raised scars like from cesarean cuts, stretch marks, and for men because their skin is thicker. It gives more dramatic results for skin problems. Since this roller goes deeper into the skin, you might feel a bit of a needle sensation, but it's not bad at all. If you're really sensitive, then consider using a numbing cream 30 minutes before rolling, or have some ice handy. And ladies, please remember that you're more sensitive around that time of the month. Good infection control is really important since this roller goes deeper into your skin. So use a Clarity Cleanse and an antibacterial Clarity Toner before rolling. Use your Pro roller the same way as the Melano roller, going sideways and diagonally. You may find a little pinpoint bleeding, which is normal. After using the roller, ice the area if you want to, dry it, wait for 30 seconds, and then apply the Dermal Recover Serum. And don't forget to use a sunscreen of broad spectrum and 30 SPF at least.